Yes, come and have a look. It's Glenn, the wildlife man. Not a care in the world. Oh, this one's on a mission. Try and hide. That's a fat one. Must have had plenty of food, that one. But probably eat your chips while these are around, wouldn't bother you. Let's see. Not the slightest bit worried, look. Quite happy pecking away looking for little grubs. Never mind the camera. Smile. Look at that one. A foot away. You wouldn't get that near a spuddy. For those who didn't know, that's Whitby Abbey. Well, that bit there on the left.